Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox this Mervyrm for the High Elves in the Old World. So let's have a look inside. So let's start with the assembly guide. So terrifying looking creature here. And very nicely done here. All the components. And for the base, a shipwreck. Yeah. So that was the assembly guide. Let's have a look at some of the bigger parts of the model. So here we've got the body itself. A lot of detail on this model. So that was the main part. Let's have a look at this. And here, first off, we've got the base. And part of the shipwreck base for this sea monster. Again, some nice details. And here, part of the ship. So I've got some cleaning to do before assembling, but yeah. And then we've got the individual stuff down here. And the head, I think. Or part of the head. And we've got some legs here. And the tail, I think. And part of the mouth. And some claw down here. And the last part. Part of the shipwreck. Really nice detail here. And a little Forgeworld guide for assembling and handling the model. And what to do about warped parts and repositioning. Just some warm water and some bending. Well, that was it for this Mervyrm for the High Elf Realms and in the Old World. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.